In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your bike with some relatively inexpensive parts. So if you buy a new bike, it's going to look just like everybody else that bought that same bike. So you want to customize it, personalize it, but keep it relatively inexpensive. Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you some parts. I'll put links in the descriptions down below. We'll get them installed and personalize this bike. So let's go ahead and get it done and get this bike back on the road. You're going to find an accent color on your bike, and then you're going to buy some parts that are going to match it. So this bike has got some orange accents, so I'll be installing some orange aftermarket parts. Let's start out real simple and cheap. Now look at these plain black valve stem covers. Let's go ahead and get rid of those. Install some orange ones. Give these wheels a little bit of an accent. Get rid of this back one as well. Now here at the back of the swing arm, we're going to pull that plug out and install some swing arm sliders. You're going to want to put a touch of blue thread locker on here so these don't vibrate loose. The same thing to the other side. Go ahead and remove that little blue Loctite on those threads so they don't vibrate loose. All right, check out that look now, guys. So now I have some colored washers I'm going to install. So I'm just looking for some basically non-functional screws that I can replace, like this chain guard cover. I'm going to go ahead and pull this screw out and see what that looks like. And we'll go ahead and remove this one back here as well. So now we have a couple of these bolts just holding on this fender. We're going to pop those out and put in some orange anodized ones. And that's what this side looks like. We'll go ahead and do the other side. Then I went ahead and added them up here at the top as well. This is a bolt head cap cover kit. These are all different sizes. Now you can just pick a couple out here and there, and you can just cover up some of the bolt heads that you want to cover up with. Just put a little dab of super glue on the inside to hold it in place, because they will vibrate loose. All right, and that's all I'm going to put on it for now, guys. You don't want to go too much and have it come out kind of gaudy looking. And that's all there is to it, guys. In under 30 minutes and around 50 bucks, you customized your bike so it doesn't look like everybody else's. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.